good. You are not doing it kachuku we buru a better God. You are not doing it for any other person. A prayerful child of God is a powerful child of God. A prayerless child of God is a powerless child of God. Father Mbaka unquote. P-U-S-H. Pray until something happens. Call on the Father Ejike Mbaka. He has tried to mentor generations. And I pray that the mentoring will have a positive effect. You know, when a person to manipulate, you can walk here. It is all on me. I cannot. When cannot read secondary school. A prayerful child of God is a powerful child of God. Hanasuno, na China, and you are listening to people like Matthias. New mana ekwesu na onyere onye onyere onye na-akọ ụka ahụ. Tupu ụka abịa ndị be anyị na-ekpe ekpere. Our people are prayerful people. Mgbe ndị be anyị na-agọ mmụọ asakwa m ịgwọ ọgwụ. African traditional religion is different from ịgwọ ọgwụ. Igbo ọgwụ bụ ife ọjọọ eri mgbe nna nna anyị fa ji bụrụ ndị mmadụ mara ife. Our people have never subscribed to evil as a way of culture. So when you begin to say and criticize prayers, you are demonizing yourself and making yourself an agent of darkness. Daniel was able to overcome the whole territory because he was a man of prayer. He can be a man. Spirit of prayer, call upon somebody now. In the name of Jesus.